So let's raise the big questions right at the very top. Should our members of parliament who have been suspended first apologize for their conduct before they are allowed to re-enter parliament? Is the suspension unfair? Is it really necessary? Is the real issue the total breakdown of trust between the government and the opposition in parliament? Could the winter session head the monsoon session's way and face a washout? These are some of the questions we'll raise. We'll be joined in a moment by Priyanka Chaturvedi, one of the suspended MPs from the Shiv Sena. I am joined by Dola Sen, suspended MP of the Trinamool Congress. Kumar Ketkar, Congress MP of the Rajya Sabha, joins me. And Gaurav Bhatia, the BJP spokesperson, is with us. Let me come to you, Dola Sen, because you are one of the suspended MPs. And in a moment, I will play the video from what happened few months ago in August, when you, along with others, were accused of violating the basic procedures of parliament, of storming the well of the house, of throwing papers at the speaker. Based on that, you have been suspended now. How do you respond? 3 months later, from that incident, you are suspended. Why not just apologize and move on? Why are you refusing to even apologize for what was seen by many on TV as unacceptable behavior by our MPs?
हम ये बात बोलना चाहेंगे कि जो अन्याय करते हैं उनको माफी मांगना है, लेकिन हम लोगों ने कुछ अन्याय नहीं की, माफी मांगने का सवाल ही नहीं उठता। और ये बात भी हम बोलेंगे कि सितंबर 2020 पे हम लोगों ने किसान बिल पर मुद्दा उठाए, वी फॉट द फार्मर्स, एंड तब भी हम सस्पेंडेड हुए थे डेरेक ओब्रायन के साथ और 8 एमपी थे। सितंबर 2020 पे जब रात हमने बिताई गांधी स्टैचू के सामने इंडिपेंडेंस की बाद, ये पहला मुद्दा हुआ था। इस बार इस वर्ष में पिछले बादल अधिवेशन में फिर 3 बार सस्पेंशन हुआ, एक बार शांतनु सेन के पूरा अधिवेशन के लिए और 2 बार हम लोगों को 6 एमपीओ को, जिसके अंदर 4 एमपी थे महिला एमपी ऑफ तृणमूल कांग्रेस। एंड बादल अधिवेशन में 3 बार सस्पेंड करने का बाद भी वो लोग संतुष्ट नहीं हुई। ट्रेजरी इज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड।
No, because you are being Dola Sen, you are saying you have done nothing wrong. The government says you are a habitual offender, that you enter the well of the house. That their argument is all you need to do is apologize for your behavior and the matter is over. That's what Venkaiah Naidu said. Now, if you decide that you're not going to apologize, stage protests, walkouts instead, then the situation will never be resolved.
I again tell you 2 things. Only 2 things I will tell you, Mr. Sardesai. One, going to well and slogan shouting is not at all unconstitutional. And the second thing I will tell you, I will refer the BJP opposition party from 2009 to 2014, mostly 2011, 12, 13, 14, in that 4 years, they have disrupted the house, they have compelled the house not to run in the whole session, and Honorable Arun Jaitley ji and Honorable Sushma Swaraj ji, they are no more, so I am keep showing my respect to them, to their departed soul. They referred that disruption is constitutional political right of opposition and it's political weapon of any political party, chahe
nothing wrong. Nothing wrong.
So I will refer.
Disruption is one thing. The charge which is being made is that you all actually, according to the government, had at the time attacked the marshals. That the marshals who are supposed to look after the security of the house were manhandled. That is the charge which is there against you in the report which led to your suspension.
No. I will tell only that day was 11th August. You know, our beloved martyr, respectable Khudiram Bose Day. And Khudiram Bose, उनको फांसी पे चढ़ाई ब्रिटिश की गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से 17 साल की उम्र पे। तो खुदीराम बोस को श्रद्धांजलि देते हुए, स्मरण करते हुए हम लोगों को लगा कि डेमोक्रेसी इज बीइंग किल्ड इन द पार्लियामेंट एंड आउटसाइड टू बाय द ट्रेजरी बेंच, बाय द मोदी जी लेड बीजेपी लेड सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. सो हमने पीपीई किट से फांसी का फंदा बनाया और हम और शांता दीदी दोनों मिलकर वो 11 अगस्त थे, खुदीराम बसु को याद करके हमने वो डेमोक्रेसी किलिंग के ऊपर फांसी का, डेमोक्रेसी को ये प्रतीकी प्रोटेस्ट है ताकि एज इफ ट्रेजरी बेंच डेमोक्रेसी को फांसी के फंदे पे चढ़ा रहे हैं. ये हम प्रतीकी प्रोटेस्ट किया वेल पे उतर के. हमको लगा ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल नहीं है, अनपार्लियामेंटरी नहीं है, लेकिन उसके छोड़ के टेबल पर उठना, कुछ चीज फेंकना, विसिल बजाना, किसी मार्शल को मैन हैंडल करना, ये सब काम हमने नहीं की. आप चाहे तो आप फुटेज 10th अगस्त 11th अगस्त का फुटेज आप गो थ्रू कर सकते. हम
you made your point.
रिप्लाई मिल जाएगा if you go through the video footage.
Okay, we will go through that video footage one by one, but Gaurav Bhatia, you want to just respond to the whole decision to suspend 12 MPs for an entire session. Now, this has been done on the eve of the session. It was done yesterday on the first day. Effectively, it appears that the government has sent out a message that the acrimony that existed during the monsoon session will continue. The government's job, the Treasury bench's job, is to bring people together, not to divide Parliament. Parliament is supposed to be a forum for debate, discussion, and the occasional disruption. Is the government now, by suspending 12 MPs, sending out a message that they will simply not tolerate any disruption of Parliament? What is the message you are sending out? That there is a complete breakdown, it appears, between the government and the opposition.
So Rajdeep, first of all, it is not the Bharatiya Janata Party that has to answer to the country. I think it is the opposition that forgot that even when you are disrupting, you cannot destruct the house that has empowered you. The house is divine. It stands for the collective will of the people. And I would only say that with great pain, the chairperson of the Rajya Sabha, Venkaiah Naidu ji, who had tears in his eyes like any other citizen, seeing the unruly behavior of the Congress, TMC and other political parties, took this decision in accordance with the constitution and the law. But I have primarily two questions to raise. First, when these MPs are supposed to protect the dignity of every citizen, especially women, the marshal who was manhandled, being a woman, what about her dignity? Is it expected out of an MP that they will violate the dignity of a woman marshal who's doing her duty, in contrast to these MPs who are being unruly? And second, say you disagree, Rajdeep, but throwing a file at the chair in a manner that can hurt the chairperson, trying to stand on the desk, manhandling the marshals who are doing their duty, is this also disruption? And I think the verdict is clear by the people of the country. This amounts to unruly behavior that needs to be punished to send out a strong message. And now let me quickly come to TMC. I am not surprised when Dola Sen, Shantanu Sen are actually suspended. Because who's the teacher? The teacher is Mamta Banerjee. Remember 2005? Mamta Banerjee took a pile of papers, threw it at the speaker. What was that? That was again misconduct. So if the principal teaches something, the student ought to do it. And that is what these people are doing. And Dola Sen sitting here very cleverly, very proudly says I was suspended earlier also. Rajdeep, I
She
would
is-
only like to say that she has put the entire country to shame.
No, she is
Fight
denying.
for the
She
rights
is
of the people.
She is denying
Don't
that she
become
has
an
manhandled. She is
unruly
denying.
member of parliament.
She is denying that she has manhandled anyone. In fact, what is interesting is many of the MPs who have been caught on camera standing up on chairs and throwing paper have not been suspended. So it appears the government is selective. Kumar Ketkar, I'll come to you in a minute, but let Dola Sen respond to the
Okay,
charge.
can I read the charge against her then?
No, 1 minute. That's the charge. She's denying it. She's
I
denying it.
wanted
Dola
to
Sen,
read the charge.
Dola Sen, please respond. The charge against
So
you is
what
very
if she
clear.
is denying it? Have you ever seen an accused person admitting the crime the accused has done?
Yeah, let her now respond to you. Dola Sen,
Yes,
respond.
please.
Only 4 points I will tell.
Yes.
Yeah. 4 points I will tell. First, Pratap Singh Bajwa ji from Congress and Sanjay Singh ji from AAP. उन्होंने विसिल बजाई, टेबल पर उठे और चेयर पर कुछ फेंका भी. आई एम हैप्पी कि उन लोग सस्पेंडेड नहीं हुए, क्योंकि ऑपोजिशन की तरफ से कोई तो है जो उधर पीपल्स वॉइस उठा सके, जो हमको फर्ज बनता. लेकिन हमारा प्रश्न ये है गौरव भाटिया जी से और बीजेपी से और ट्रेजरी बेंच से कि कैसे इन दोनों को छुटकारा मिल गया. हमारा पास उत्तर है. सामने पंजाब इलेक्शन है, इसीलिए संजय सिंह जी और प्रताप सिंह बाजवा जी का छुटकारा मिल गया. और दूसरा पॉइंट ये है कि हमारे साथ, हम ट्रेड यूनियन से बिलोंग करते, पिछले 28-29 इयर्स आई एम ट्रेड यूनियन एक्टिविस्ट. दैट्स वाई हमारे साथ स्पेशली मार्शलों की, सिक्योरिटीज की, पूरे स्टाफों की जो है पार्लियामेंट में हमारे साथ बहुत सुंदर संबंध है, संपर्क है. किसी के साथ हमारे संबंध मैन हैंडलिंग का नहीं है. तीसरे पॉइंट हम बोलेंगे कि विद ड्यू रेस्पेक्ट, हम किसी लीडर का नाम नहीं लिया, उन लोगों का लीडर का, गौरव भाटिया जी का लीडर का नाम नहीं लिया. हम गुजारिश करेंगे राजदीप सरदेसाई आपसे कि आप भाटिया जी को बोल दे, बेवजह एमिनेंट लीडर, आवर चीफ मिनिस्टर, ऑनरेबल पीपल लीडर, मास लीडर ममता जी का नाम वो बेवजह ना ले. ये अच्छा रहेगा, क्योंकि पीपल ऑफ बंगाल ने ममता जी के पक्ष और उनके खिलाफ उनकी सवाल उठा दी, लेकिन बेवजह हमारे इसी मुद्दे पे प्रिंसिपल, टीचर ये सब रेफरेंस करके उनको नाम ना लाए तो अच्छा. ये अनएथिकल होता है.
He is entitled to make his point like you are entitled to make your point. But Kumar Ketkar, you have been listening silently to this, and you've not just been a veteran. You've been a veteran journalist. You are also an MP, of course, of the Rajya Sabha now. But what we have seen is actually a breakdown in trust. We saw it in the monsoon session, and we are already seeing it today. You all walked out of Parliament protesting the fact that 12 MPs have been suspended. And the fear is that this will again lead to a Parliament session that is marked by disruption rather than debate and discussion. There are so many issues confronting the country today that need debate and discussion. Who do you blame? At the end of the day, is the Congress party willing to allow Parliament to function this time, unlike in the monsoon session when there was a complete breakdown over Pegasus?
Well, actually, you must recognize the fact that for the last 3 years, ever since I came to Rajya Sabha, I have been seeing this breakdown of trust. It is not for the first time today. I have been seeing it for the last 3 years, and this is not a new experience of breakdown of trust. But today, what has happened and demanded apology by these people, I think is completely wrong, because they have not done anything wrong to apologize. So there is no question of apologizing and starting the session. We have been demanding debate and discussion, but the debate and discussion was virtually stopped when the act was made, and debate and discussion was not allowed when the acts were repealed. So why they are afraid of having discussion and debate on repealing? Moreover, you and Gaurav Bhatia ji and everybody is talking about the so-called throwing of files and etc., etc. The question is, those who are suspended are not involved in that act. The issues are on 10th August, 11th August and 12th August. 12 MPs have been completely suspended on the issue of 12th August, and they are talking about Kisan Andolan, but they are suspended on completely different thing. So this is a clear and very clear dictatorial approach in the House, and to that dictatorial approach, the MPs are protesting ever since for the last 3 years, and particularly
Kumar
after
Ketkar,
the farmers' agitation began.
But
the
Kumar
farmers'
Ketkar, how does
agitation every
walking out
time.
of Parliament
One
serve the
second.
purpose?
Only one
Kumar
sentence.
Ketkar, if you are
Every
saying there is
one
a
sentence,
dictatorial
every
attitude
time
in Parliament, how
every
does
time
walking
the
out serve
word
the
farmer
purpose?
was used, why walking out has been a common practice all over the world. Walking out is not something new. Walking out has happened even in England. In fact, walking out is a tradition we have borrowed from England. So where is the question of walking out being a crime? Walking out is not disruption. In fact, as Dolaji correctly said, Arun Jaitley was defending the disruption. Walking out is not disruption. Walking out is a
Can I
protest.
respond,
And
Raghu?
today, Khargeji was constantly telling the chairman that Khargeji was constantly telling the chairman that please even look at us. Just look at us. You are only looking at the treasury benches. Look at us and allow us to speak, allow us to raise the questions. But Khargeji was not approached at all. And Venkaiah Naidu straight away, Honorable Chairman,
accusing the
said
government.
no, and therefore Khargeji openly said that if you don't listen, we will have no option but to walk out. If you don't listen to us, we will have no option to walk out, and that is after we walked out.
Okay. You're saying this is a response to what you're calling a dictatorial attitude. Priyanka Chaturvedi, one of the other suspended MPs, is also joining us at this moment.
Can I
Priyanka,
respond
1
to
minute, sir.
MPs?
1 minute. Let's talk to the suspended MPs. They have much to answer. Priyanka Chaturvedi, you're being accused, as is Dola Sen, of disrupting Parliament in a manner that is clearly seen as unconstitutional by the Rajya Sabha chairman, and therefore you have been suspended. Dola Sen says she will not apologize. Will you apologize?
Absolutely not. Apologize for what? To speak because we are speaking up for the people of this country? Apologize for speaking up for the farmers of this country? Apologize for speaking up for the women of this country? Apologize for the economic mess that they're leaving the country in? Apologize for all the joblessness that we speak up for? Apologize for speaking up for the people of this country?
Sir,
I do not understand. What do we need to apologize
I'll tell
for?
you what you did.
In
The
fact,
note,
when you
ma'am,
see,
just a minute.
suspended MPs have a lot to answer.
Ma'am, just a minute. Ma'am, just a minute. Priyanka Chaturvedi, the notice of your suspension reads, this House takes cognizance and strongly condemns the utter disregard to the authority of the chair, complete abuse of the rules of the House, persistently thereby willfully obstructing the business of the House through their unprecedented acts of misconduct, contemptuous, ruly and unviolent behavior, and intentional attacks on security personnel on the last day of the 254th session of Rajya Sabha, August 11. So they are accusing you of unruly behavior outside the purview of what is acceptable.
Hello?
Priyanka Chaturvedi.
Hello? आवाज गई. Hello?
Okay, we'll try and get back to you, Priyanka Chaturvedi, but Gaurav Bhatia, that gives you an opportunity to step in and answer whether the accusation of dictatorial behavior, the treasury benches are expected to ensure parliament functions. They are instead resorting to what Kumar Ketkar claims is dictatorial behavior.
Rajdeep, I hope I'll be given some time. I have to make a rebuttal to two of these spokespersons. Two panelists here gave example of late Sushma Swaraj ji and Arun Jaitley ji, saying that they had said disruption is also a way of functioning of the parliament. But I want to ask myself and these panelists, give me one example when you saw the eloquent Arun Jaitley ji and Sushma Swaraj ji standing on the table, throwing file at the chair. I don't think there is any example. And second,
No, but you have not
as a
suspended
matter of
the
fact,
MP.
in 2004,
Mr. Bajwa, who is
Sushma
standing on,
Swaraj ji-
just a minute. Mr.
Please.
Bajwa, who is standing on the chair and throwing the files, is not suspended.
Rajiv, why do you have to interrupt, brother?
No, because you are, I have to make a factual correction. Mr.
Okay,
Bajwa, who's in the video, standing
Your-
on the chair and throwing
your
the files,
question
has
been
not
noted.
been suspended because there is a Punjab election. So you are being selective. There is
Are you
Mr.
done
Bajwa.
now?
Why didn't you
Are you
suspend him?
done now? Okay, are you done now?
Yes, I am done.
Thank you. And I hope I'll not be interrupted again. because so far the discussion has made certain charges against the BJP. I need to respond to them, and then I
Please
will
do.
answer your question, Radip. You can't break the line and be as unruly as the MPs
I'm
who have been
sorry,
suspended.
I got disconnected
Okay?
midway.
I'll come to
still
you,
haven't
Priyanka.
been
Ma'am,
able
I'll
to
come to you in a
answer the
moment.
charges made
Yes.
about me.
No, I'll come to you in a moment. First, let Gaurav Bhatia respond to what has been said about dictatorial attitude.
Yes. So now, I've given the example of Arun Jaitley ji and Sushma Swaraj ji. Both of them got awarded by the Outstanding Parliamentarian Award. They have never indulged in such unruly behavior. The point here is simple. Radip, I heard the Shiv Sena spokesperson just now saying, if I speak for the women of the country and if I speak for the country, why should I apologize? Then I want to ask her, what about that women's marshal's dignity and right? You wouldn't like to speak for that? And second, in Maharashtra, they actually suspended 12 BJP MLAs, and they said that, you know, they were indulging in unruly behavior and they were not even inside the assembly. So why these double standards? And second, Priyanka Chaturvedi at that time herself tweeted this, and I'm reading this for the viewers. Look at the hypocrisy. 12 BJP MLAs suspended for a year from Maharashtra Assembly for abusing the chair. All in a day. Abuse is a way of life for some. So somebody who was not disrupting the assembly should be suspended for a year. That is justified. But this is not justified. Now coming to the Congress, Partap Singh Bajwa,
let her
your
respond.
query.
Let her
Radip, you
respond
must
because
read the rules.
no, she should respond to what you've said. Priyanka Chaturvedi, Gaurav Bhatia has said that you are hypocritical. Your Maharashtra government suspends 12 BJP MLAs for a year for their behavior outside the assembly. And when you all are suspended in the winter session for one session, you all are making a song and dance. Respond, Priyanka.
Actually, it is very hypocritical and funny that they continue to quote my tweet, but I'll tell you the difference. As far as the Maharashtra Assembly was concerned, let me tell him that all due processes were followed, yet we had Bharatiya Janata Party abuse the chair, the presiding officer, because the speaker hadn't been elected. They continued the same thing inside the room of the presiding officer, and that is when suspension happened while the session was on. You cannot have a retrospective action taken against members of parliament, or for that matter MLAs. Now, I'm not discussing the quantum of punishment. It is upon the chair. They could have decided to suspend me for the entire year if they deemed fit. That is not the point. We're not discussing quantum. We are discussing process, parliamentary process or assembly process. And if the rule book says, that it is the responsibility of the chair of the house to maintain the decorum, they have done that at that particular point in time. How is it hypocritical that if processes are not followed? Here, I'll tell you what hypocrisy
Outside the
is.
assembly.
That in the parliament, the 254th session, it wasn't outside the assembly, it was in the speaker's chamber. So please, it started inside the assembly, it continued outside the chamber. So please do not
Focus
speak
on your case.
unnecessarily uninformed way. Let me just one
Good
second.
admission.
Yes,
Good
my
that
case
the
I will
viewers
tell
are
you.
seeing.
Business Advisory
It wasn't
Committee.
inside the assembly.
Business Advisory Committee.
doesn't know what an assembly means.
No, no, 1 minute, Gaurav.
254th
The chamber of the
monsoon
speaker
No,
is
Gaurav,
session.
not
don't intervene.
assembly.
Let us speak.
By the
254th
way.
monsoon
She's
session.
not aware of that.
Sir, I perhaps know a little bit more about the parliamentary process because I'm the victim of so-called behavior of the Bharatiya Janata Party, of having brought in a motion which was not even listed as part of the LOB, and we were this entire announcement was done without even taking a version of what happened inside the chamber. For you to come and accuse me is a bit rich, so please keep quiet. Now, I will just say one thing. The 254th Assembly, the monsoon
ask her
session,
to be polite,
the
Radhi.
GIC bill, the
Actually,
insurance
she's
bill was
wrong.
not
No,
even
Gaurav, let her
listed.
complete. No,
Otherwise,
Priyanka
we are not
Chaturvedi,
going to take a
Priyanka
insult, please.
Chaturvedi, are you saying that you are not allowed to give your version? Are you saying
Who's
that you did not?
insulting you?
No, did you give no? I
Absolutely
asked.
not. Absolutely not. I in fact said this even yesterday. I challenge everybody, every BJP member of parliament who is supporting this to come forward and tell me which natural course of justice denies the person who has been charged and accused and suspended not been allowed to even give their version. Today, even a most hardened criminal, if he's caught in a, he's caught in a jam or whatever as part of the justice system,
let me respond
even
to that,
he is
Rajdeep. That's
given
a
a
very
lawyer,
serious
an
charge.
appointed lawyer is given to him to defend his case. Here we don't have a single, I'm sorry, what will you respond? I'm sorry, what are you going to respond? I'm challenging you. I'm challenging you to go ask
Please,
the entire,
I
whether
want
it's the
no
leader of the
side
House,
talk.
Mr.
I'm
Piyush
talking to
Goyal,
Rajdeep.
whether
You are not the anchor
it's
of
a
the show,
Minister
so
of
just take it
Parliamentary
easy.
Affairs,
Take a chill
Prahlad Joshi ji, whether it is whoever handles this entire issues, they can find out from our call records, because anyway Pegasus would have been installed in all our phones. For you all to know, the call records will also show that there have been no call coming from the government to ask us what exactly transpired on that particular day. All we got
So you're
was a
saying that
suspension
you're claiming
and suspension for the
you're
entire
claiming
session,
that you were
and
not
which is
given.
again,
So you're claiming you were not given an opportunity to be heard, and you are not going to apologize. Okay.
absolutely not.
Gaurav Bhatia.
Absolutely not.
Gaurav
And I'm
Bhatia,
challenging Mr. Gaurav Bhatia
Okay.
to prove me wrong.
Okay, I stopped you, Gaurav Bhatia, when you said you need to
Yes.
explain to us why is it that an MP who is caught on camera standing on a chair throwing files at the chair is not suspended, while those who have not been caught on camera doing those kind of acts have been suspended. This is selective. Is Pratap Singh Bajwa being spared of the Congress because you don't want a Sikh MP to be suspended before a Punjab election? It's as cynical as that.
So, Rajdeep, I heard the Shiv Sena spokesperson.
No, please answer the question.
It's
now.
a very technical defense that she is giving. I am Rajdeep. Please do not interrupt like always. Have the patience. Thank you. So, the defense is that they have not been given an opportunity
You can
to
feel free
reply.
to interrupt. No one
And
else
best
will.
to my knowledge, I am not the spokesperson for the chair of the House. Neither can I be. I will tell you, the media reports are that the parties, respective parties of the MPs, were contacted. They were even told that they can apologize. They refused. And that's their choice. And after that, the result followed. But to your question, which I wanted to answer
Yes.
earlier also,
No.
Rajdeep, you have to look at the rules of the House. On 10th of August, this misdemeanor took place. Pratap Singh Bajwa, again like Dola Sen, is a habitual offender. In the past, he was suspended. 11th of August was the last day of the House. The process, I'm assuming, because I would not know the facts, only
Right.
the chair would know and the secretariat of the chair. But they could not complete the process. In this case, when on the 11th, these 10 MPs misbehaved, there was the time to go through the process, and on the first day of the next session, which is this session, this action was taken in accordance with law. And the example is simple. Say on the last day of the House, if somebody does something which is unruly, illegal, would he be spared? Because
Why
it is
has
the
Mr.
last day
No,
of the
no,
House?
no,
No.
that's
The
a very
action will
poor
follow on
answer,
the first day
Mr.
of the next
Bhatia.
session.
I have shown you the person who's caught on camera throwing the files on a chair. He
Sometimes
doesn't
what
get
happens, you
suspended,
fail to
and Dola
understand.
Sen and Priyanka Chaturvedi are suspended. That's
So I've answered
and,
that
and
in
there
the
is no
first
natural
part.
justice. There
It's
should
your
have been a proper
comprehension which
process
is poor,
followed.
not the answer. I've told you.
That- you know,
I first of all, Rajdeep, I can tell you what I've learned from the media reports.
Okay.
And I've answered your
Okay.
question. If you think it is a poor answer,
get a
it
chance
is your
to
poor
set aside.
understanding. I can't do anything.
Okay.
You should be
Whether I
asking
will
them,
get the
why
chance.
were they standing on the desk? Why were they throwing
the
the
last
files at the
20
chair?
minutes I am
That
here.
you are not asking. On a technical
mum.
plea, you are saying Pratap Singh Bajwa has gone unpunished.
It's a
So
yes.
this is
Right,
right.
that I will get
This
the
is your
chance.
logical
No, no,
conclusion.
no, my
Which I
logic-
don't think anybody will accept.
I see.
That's a very
20
poor.
I see.
logic
Okay,
that
that's
you
my
give.
logic is poor that someone
I
who
will
has
get
been
the
caught
chance.
on camera standing on a chair and throwing files is not suspended, while two others are. I justify no such behavior. Let's be clear. But you cannot be selective. I'm going to give 30 seconds each to you,
Sonia
Dola.
Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi
What-
have taken action against him. Pratap Singh Bajwa was suspended earlier. Let me tell you
No,
that.
no. Sir, in
Just
this
so that we
particular
have the
case,
facts
What does
sir,
this
I
even
will
mean?
not
What are we
allow now
talking
this to
about?
get derailed. Priyanka Chaturvedi, Dola Sen, 30 seconds each. You first, Dola Sen. I ask you one last time. Do you agree that what you did that day was outside the purview of parliamentary procedure? Yes or no?
I think I raised my voice as opposition on behalf of the farmers, on behalf of the workers, on behalf of the people. And whenever I get the chance to speak over there, then also I will raise my voice as opposition.
Okay.
It's
You're
my
saying you
duty
will raise
to
your
do,
voice as
and that's
opposition.
why I am elected over there.
Okay, but there is a
Chahe
difference
Lakbar,
between
wo
there is
humko
a difference
suspend
between
kare,
raising your voice.
I will feel proud to be suspended again and again.
You will feel proud to be suspended. Priyanka Chaturvedi, do you have any regrets or not?
Look at her demeanor.
Priyanka Chaturvedi, do you have any regrets?
Regret for what? I'm not the first MP. Listen, I'm not the first MP who has gone to the well of the House or protested. I will not be, in case democracy prevails in this country, I will not be the last MP. But yes, history was created yesterday by going through this unconstitutional, undemocratic suspension order, which cannot be rolled over into another session.
Okay.
And they have done this. They
Maharashtra
defy the rule book.
village
The rule book that is
suspension
given
is
to us
fine.
when we take oath, that we have to work within that framework. And he needs to stop lying. He needs to stop lying. No chance was given. No chance was given to give a point of view.
Which
What should
rule
we
is it?
apologize
Can
for
you
if you
tell
haven't
the
even heard a
viewers?
point of
Which
view?
Okay,
So
I will give Kumar Ketkar the
Rule
final
number
word.
256, sir.
Kumar
It's the
Ketkar.
letter quotes. First go study that
That
rule. I can
treasury
read it out to you
bench must
also.
apologize.
Okay, I can read it out to you also.
Okay, Kumar Ketkar,
No, have you
is
studied
this?
the other
Treasury
rules
bench
And I
about
think
the-
No.
Government
All,
of India to
now Kumar
apologize
Ketkar, all
to the
other
people of the
voices.
country.
Kumar Ketkar must get a chance to speak. He's been the most quiet listening. Kumar Ketkar, is the Congress party going to make this a prestige issue? Rahul Gandhi saying we will never apologize. Do you want another session suspended of parliament? Who does it serve? The government is very happy if you walk out, keep walking out. They will allow the session to continue the way they want. You should be challenging the government on the floor of the House. Debate with them.
The statement that we will never apologize is not a question of prestige or ego. It is a statement of fact. We will not apologize because nobody has committed any crime or any misdemeanor or any unparliamentary activity. Priyanka and Dola both are absolutely right. They were not given you an opportunity. Their names were not mentioned. They were asked to defend themselves and the action was taken. I think this is completely wrong. This is unparliamentary behavior.
Okay.
And I think that unparliamentary behavior is what we are protesting. That does not mean that we will walk out every time, because BJP may be very happy if we walk out because they can pass the bills.
Can I just
Last
have my
session also we
15
saw
seconds?
so many bills were passed when we were not there. Either we were abstaining or the House was adjourned.
Okay.
So I think this is not the approach. We will not walk out all the time. We will not apologize because we have not committed any kind of misbehavior.
Okay, let me get you in quickly. Yes, Gaurav Bhatia, in case then you will say you've been
Treasury
surrounded
bench
by
must
three opposite.
apologize.
No, he must get his 15
Treasury
seconds.
bench must
No, he's
apologize.
surrounded by all three of you.
No, he keeps interrupting everybody.
No,
And
ma'am.
when he is questioned, he runs behind this entire
Treasury
logic
bench
of not being a
must
spokesperson
apologize.
for the government of India.
After doing this unparliamentary,
No, please let Gaurav
Absolutely,
Bhatia
I
speak.
agree with Dola.
You know,
They
Rajdeep,
apologize
can I
to the
please
nation,
get my 15
to
seconds?
the opposition, to those families who lost their loved ones
You
in the
know-
farmers' protest.
Treasury bench
Rajdeep,
must
this is
apologize.
unfair. Now
Apologize
No,
to
you
the
will
country.
smile,
Dola
you
said
will not
Priyanka
stop.
Trying to
Chaturvedi.
thwart-
No, the
throttle
question is to
democracy.
Gaurav
What's
Bhatia's
unfair?
15 seconds.
What is
No,
fair?
Dola
What is
Dola
fair?
and Priyanka
What is
Chaturvedi,
fair
I have to go to
suspend
them.
members of parliament?
Your voice is
What is
okay.
fair? That
15
Bharta
seconds.
can-
15 seconds, Gaurav Bhatia, go for it.
You know, Rajdeep, the two suspended MPs should know the difference between being a spokesperson of the government party and the Speaker of the House. Probably they don't, but I am telling you, these parties will get knuckle dusters, they will get bricks, and they will get guns inside the House, and they will say this is disruption. And we will not let that happen. The democracy, which is very dear to us, cannot be brutally murdered in the garb of dissension and disruption.
Every aspect of life.
Let's leave it there. I appreciate all my guests joining me here on the show today. Clearly, there is a breakdown of trust. Parliament is supposed to be a forum for debate, for discussion. It is not supposed to be war. And that at times is the impression one gets from the outside, this total breakdown of trust between the government and the opposition. And it's your and my money as taxpayers that goes in. And we need due process. You cannot have MPs suspended without due process being followed. Think about it.